Into the wild, into the wild I go. It's a beautiful venture.
Angie with WTF Stop. Today we are out on a ranch in South Texas. I think the forecast is like 24 hours and then it's going to start climbing again back up into the 70s and 80s. But today we'll be going and sitting in a blind and see what comes out in this cold weather, just to see what's going on. If you look up there, there's a doe in the road. I don't know how close she'll let us get to her, but typically if we drive real slow, no, there they go. The doe and her fawn. Here we are in the deer blind. This is our view. The feeder just went off. So I will keep you posted as to what I see, and I will share the images at the end of this video. Okay, so we have a little buck out here. I'm going to attempt to let you guys see him. Watch him for a few minutes. Well, we had a buck at the feeder. I got some shots of him before he came in. And you guys just got to see him leaping out of the pen. So, we had a pretty good ride around the ranch. The sunset didn't quite produce what I wanted it to produce. So, we are going to do a night shot here at the windmill. And we're gonna see what we can get. We could very well get some stars. Just because of the fact that it's a pretty clear night, as you can tell.